When we started to build this factory, we asked around in the business, in our network, and it was the same answer for all our partners, saying that if you want high quality, you need to ask Jorgensen Engineering. I'm Connie Twistman. I'm the CEO of FIPROS Nutrition, established 2 years ago, and we actually started by building a new facility with one purpose, and that is to blend and to pack high quality milk products in tins. There were, of course, more than one reason to choose Jorgensen, but the main reason for us was really the quality. What have been the essence for us from the very beginning was to have, you could say, state-of-the-art facility. We have been very focused on only having the highest quality equipment. We knew that Jorgensen are producing very high capacity, high speed lines, and this would be too fast to our need. They actually ensured us that they could also aim for a different type of line, a so-called compact line. To us, it actually answered exactly the need we had, because we are trying to build our business around specialties, not high volume products. So that was a very good match. And we have had a very good cooperation in defining how the line should be put together. I think it's one of the very strong aspects of the way Jorgensen built their lines, is that by the end of the day you still have a full solution directly from Jorgensen. Sometimes Jorgensen bring some of their new customers to have a look at our factory, and we have been very happy to hear that they find the equipment to be outstanding and setting a new standard for factories in this field. They have actually delivered and lived up to our expectations, so that have been a very good experience for us. We can definitely add us to the network now as well and say, if anybody is considering a compact line, we can strongly recommend to work with Jorgensen.